Hey guys, this is Lupe from Home Entertainment again. I want to invite you to the showroom. I want you to come in and ask for me. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our showroom here for Facebook and Instagram. So, quick tour. This is our listening room. In here we have some amazing RF7 speakers by Klipsch. These are famous speakers. Everybody loves these speakers. They sound great. 10-inch woofers, amazing tweeters. These are the new versions. We're a heritage leader, so we do have the Forte speakers, the Heresy speakers. We do have these available and in stock, available for demo also, so if you guys want to come in and listen to them. We also have our famous curved theater setup. Come check this out, guys. Look, this is an amazing setup. Curved 235 screen. This is 133 inches. It's a black diamond fixed screen. This is not a TV. This is a projector screen. The projector's behind you, Ricky, if you want to show the projector. This is a Sony projector with the black diamond screen. Look at how amazing this looks. Looks great. We also have a pair of RP280Fs. These speakers right here are Atmos enabled. Check this out, guys. We have the Atmos enabled speakers. You can see that the sound bounces from these speakers to the ceiling and then to the audience. So imagine sitting here listening to the setup. Again, this is a 5.2.2 Dolby Atmos system. We have some JL Audio subwoofers, Klipsch center channel. This is an amazing sound system. Come check this out, guys. Look, we have some really cool surveillance stuff here. We've got some 4K cameras I can show you. Look at these cameras, guys. 4K quality. This is an amazing camera setup for business, for a home. Can you imagine seeing your cameras being super detailed, crisp? You can zoom into the license plates. You can see the stuff people are writing on pieces of paper if you want. Check this out. We have a 150-inch Polar Star screen. It'd be perfect for a bar. It'd be perfect for a conference room or even your theater if you want. You can set this up in the living room. I mean, this is an amazing, amazing screen. This is ambient light rejecting screen. So if there's a little bit of light, it doesn't matter. The screen actually rejects the ambient light. Behind us, we have some in-seating speakers. We have some really, really cool theaters over here. You guys want to come check these out? We have a nice lift theater. The theater here, screen comes down, goes back up. Everything's concealed, and everything's hidden. Come check this out, guys. We have a really nice 802 theater over here. This is a really nice hi-fi audio theater with Bowers & Wilkins 802 speakers, Macintosh amplifiers. We have a native 4K projector by Sony. This is an amazing projector. A native 4K projector. What does that mean? That gives you a true 4K image. It gives you Dolby Vision, ultra high definition. It's an awesome projector. Come check this out, guys. We have also a really cool VR setup going on today. This is our really cool little game area. So can you imagine setting this up for your house, having the kids entertained? Look at this. Can you imagine this at your house, guys? It's a 100-inch black Dragonfly screen with a really cool Epson projector, 7.1 surround sound, and our little VR setup's hooked up to it. So again, if you guys want to come in and experience it, you can come check it out. We're more than happy to demo it for you so you can try it, experience it, so you can see if it's a good fit for you guys. Behind us, we've got some more cool stuff. I'm going to show you the THX theater. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Come here. Okay. 160-inch, 235 screen, a laser projector, 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos, and it sounds amazing. It's like if you were at the concert, guys. Come check this out, guys. Look at this. We got some more cool stuff over here. Check out these K-Horn speakers by Klipsch. These are amazing K-Horn speakers. These are famous. They've been around forever. This is an awesome design patented by Klipsch. You gotta come listen to them, guys. We have a really cool Macintosh amplifier with an Oppo Blu-ray player and a really nice, awesome turntable by Macintosh. And look at that. That's a beautiful turntable. It's a showpiece. In addition to that, check this out. We have a really nice mirror TV. This TV, if you want to shut it off and you don't want anything exposed, can you imagine your beautiful decor and then just a beautiful black mirror? This is an awesome TV. It's a really cool setup for one of those minimalistic looks a lot of people are going for. Check this out too. We have a really nice outdoor setup. This is a nice little pergola with an outdoor TV, little projector. Can you imagine watching the fight with this? Inviting all the friends over, nice little barbecue. Bring the screen down. Got another theater to show you. Check this out. This is kind of our go-to theater. This is the type of theater that we use for conversion rooms for, let's say, for example, your garage or a spare bedroom. We would convert your garage or a spare bedroom to a theater. This is an awesome setup. It's a 5.1 system. It's a 100-inch screen, 1080p projector. We do this for $3,000 installed, guys. $3,000. Check this out. I've got another cool little thing to show you here. I got a really cool hidden treasure. This is a hidden screen that retracts from the ceiling. Can you imagine this guy is going off of that minimalistic look? Nothing's exposed, there's no cable boxes, there's nothing exposed here. This just comes down and it goes back up, only when you want to use it. So, guys, if you have any questions, if you guys want to come into the showroom, ask for me. My name is Lupe. We'll give you a tour of the showroom, give you more details. I'm sure you're going to have questions. Feel free to comment. Come ask for me. This is Lupe from Home Entertainment. Thank you.